What do I need to consider about estate planning after divorce? I'm Sarah Siedentopf. I'm an estate planning attorney in Atlanta, Georgia. After divorce, some things get revoked, some things get changed, some things stay the same. What are they? What do I need to know? For your will, specifically your last will and testament, the court, if you don't change it, will just assume your spouse died. Everywhere we see something mentioning spouse, we act like they're dead and move on to the next person. So your will is going to get changed, who's in charge, who's inheriting things. You probably want to do a new one. On the other hand, beneficiary designations are not getting changed. They are not getting updated. If you forget to update them, your no longer spouse will inherit things you did not want them to get. The advance directive for healthcare gets revoked by either divorce or marriage. So you had an advance directive, you do not now have an advance directive. Even in the rare occasions where you say, actually, X is still the correct person to make medical decisions, it just works out that way, it's not valid. You would need to sign a new one after the divorce to make it valid. And in fact, it would be very, very difficult, cause a lot of confusion if they had to try to use one and they're just not going to be able to. It's not valid after a divorce. So essentially, you're going to be starting from scratch with estate planning and thinking about, new people to put in charge as executor, etc., that don't include this non-spouse. And if you run out of family members and friends, there are professionals that can do these things. I can help you find people who do these things professionally and are trustworthy if that's something that you need. But the big thing to know about your estate planning after divorce is that it needs redone. It is not something that can be just left alone and, figured out later. So if you have recently gotten divorced and are looking at making sure that things are still working properly, please give me a call. Please also like and subscribe. Thanks.